Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Lila had always found solace in books. One evening, after a long day at work, she decided to visit the local library. The library was a quiet, serene place, perfect for unwinding. As she stepped inside, she felt a sense of anticipation, eager to escape into a different world through the pages of a book. Lila headed straight to the reception desk, where a friendly librarian greeted her. She mentioned she was looking for a book with a touch of magic and adventure. The librarian smiled and gave her a recommendation. You should try the Night Circus. It's filled with magic and wonder. Thanking the librarian, Lila made her way to the fantasy section. She loved how the library was organized, making it easy to find exactly what she was looking for. She found the book and immediately felt drawn to its enchanting cover. Lila took the book to a cozy corner and began to read. As she turned the pages, she became completely immersed in the story. The descriptions of the magical circus were so vivid that she could almost hear the music and see the twinkling lights. The real world faded away as Lila lost herself in the enchanting tale. After an hour of reading, Lila reluctantly closed the book. She was eager to check it out and continue reading at home. At the reception desk, the librarian wished her a pleasant evening as she checked out the book. Lila left the library feeling rejuvenated and excited to dive back into her magical adventure. If you enjoyed this session, please like and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.